जो नहीं बोला वो हो रहा फिर ताला जो लगा था। Good morning everyone. How are you all? What about homework? Did you complete? Yes. You Haris, you have completed? Okay, let's get started.
Excuse me, sir. Can I get a seat, please?
What is the time now?
It's 10:30.
Why did you late?
Sir, actually my bike got punctured. That's why I did late.
Okay, got seat. Behind a successful man, there is a woman. What do we learn from this, Haris?
It means we should stop wasting time and find a woman.
Shut up, nonsense student. Sit. Oxygen. You know, oxygen is must for breathing and for our life. It was discovered in 1773.
Thanks Allah, I was born after 1773. Otherwise, I would have died.
Hey, who's that sleeping in the class? Hey Muhammad, why are you sleeping in the class?
Sir, because your voice is so sweet, that's why I am getting sleep.
So why they all are not sleeping?
So because they are not listening to you.